So come with me in a day of my life as a stay-at-home mom na asa lang sa asawa kong contractor. Charot lang, hindi naman siya sa DPWH eh. So today, I'll bring you along on a regular day when I don't have baking orders. After getting the kids ready for school, my first stop was Walmart. I bought Amelie a new lunchbox kasi yung una, nahihirapan siyang buksan. I also grabbed flour for some R&D on new Pandeordi products. And welcome back. For those who are new here, I'm Roxanne, the baker behind Pandeordi, your go-to for ube cakes and desserts here in Hamilton. Aside from baking, I'm also a stay-at-home mom. Next, I dropped by Bulk Barn to get a bigger cake board and box for a weekend order. We got the cake board, but we don't have the cake box because I don't usually make this cake size, kaya wala akong stock ng box and the cake board. But let's see, maghanap tayo kung saan tayo makakabili. Then I headed to Once Upon a Child. Dito ko na madalas bilhin yung clothes ng kids. Andito naman tayo ngayon kung saan kami nagsha-shopping ng damit ng mga bata. So sa tatlong anak ko, natuto na ako. Hindi bumili ng new clothes. Dito tayo sa ukay-ukay ng mga damit ng mga bata. Look at that. Calvin Klein jeans, diba? Sorted na din pala dito. May mga uniforms na magkakasama. And then my size, coats, age. Nakakamura talaga, and honestly, natuto na ako. Nung una, with our eldest, laging mall, brand new. But now with 3 kids and prices going up, practical na tayo. Dami ongr. So we're done. So, pumunta ako dito para bumili ng mga white t-shirts for uniform ni Amelie. And nakahanap naman tayo. Siniswerte. Thank you, Lord. And ayun nga, sa tatlong anak na meron ako, natuto na ako na hindi bumili ng mga bagong damit. Kasi talagang madudumihan lang siya. Mabilis maluma. Especially pag uniform, ganyan. So, yeah, dyan kami bumibili sa Once Upon a Child. Ang ukay-ukay para sa mga damit ng mga bata. And nakakatipid naman tayo. Okay, aalis na naman tayo kasi tayo nautusan na dalhin tong sasakyan sa service. Kailangan nang magpa-change oil at busy ang asawa nating contractor. Kaya, as an independent housewife ng contractor tayo for today. Hindi ko talaga ginagawa to. Siya nagpupunta sa mga service ng sasakyan. Sana hindi halatang hindi natin alam ang gagawin natin. Let's go! Pagdating ko, sabi ko agad, my husband told me to bring the car here. I'll just call him. Kasi grabe, ang daming tanong at explanations and I don't speak that car language. Every time may sinasabi sila, tawag agad kay Mr. Since the service took longer than expected, hindi ko nasundo ang kids. Luckily, my stepdad was able to pick them up. Very lifesaver. And then, back home, I get the kids ready for jiu-jitsu, cook dinner, then pick them up after their jiu-jitsu class. Kanina rin, we got their gi patches. Kailangan nila yun for their upcoming competition. And that's a wrap on my day. Thanks for spending it with me. Don't forget to like and see. Always bring cake. See you in the next one. Bye!